welcome back to another episode of the 89 Garage. What gathers us here today is blower motor 2011 Ford Escape. It's making noise when it's cold outside. It is cold right now, so I'm going to actually fire it up and see if it will make the noise. It doesn't do it 100% of the time, but chances are fairly high that it's going to do it right now because it is pretty cold. Of course not. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you the noise because I'm just going to fix this right now. I don't want to deal with it when it gets colder. So you're probably watching this wondering, what are the symptoms of a bad blower motor? Number one, it's going to squeal like this one did. I wish that I could have just made it squeal for you. I didn't. The other symptoms are it just flat out won't work at all. Another one is you can hear, but you can also have like some napkins or something that have been sucked in there that could be doing that as well. If you only have high speed, it's probably the blower motor resistor. That's located behind the glove box. This blower motor resistor is not bad, so I'm not going to touch it. I do have a spare though, and if you need that video, just let me know and I'll do it. I've got the new one right here in this box. Got this off Amazon. It was, I don't know, roughly $30, $35, something like that. Kind of took you guys for a ride there. Well, this is it here. And if you see, there are no bolt holes here. That's because this thing twists in. Kind of a cool design, I think. Just in case you've landed here thinking it's the same as that one, they are in the same location, but they mount differently. I'll put a link to that up top there. All right, here we are, passenger side, and our blower motor is right there. So this unit right here is the blower motor, as you just saw, that I had in my hand. Okay, so to do this, we're gonna have to remove this fella right here, and this, you just pinch on these things here. Man, it's cold. And then it slides. There's these little hooks right here. You got to get it past. I'm going on a, so you got to kind of pull there and push this, and it will come up because you've got the little hook right there. Oops. It's got this little hook right here that it's holding on to. But we need to have that off to install this. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pinch these. These ones here are going to be probably a little bit harder to get than the one that we just did because these have been, okay, never mind. It's easier. Okay, remember we got to push this forward now, like that, after we get it broke loose, and there we are. Now we're going to go ahead and release. There's this little thing right here on the end that we got to push in and pull back. There we go. All right, got some gloves. I'm just gonna spin, and this will come straight. Oh my gosh, look at all that crap coming out. We're probably gonna have to pull this carpet back. There we go. Woo-wee. We'll examine this thing a little bit better when we get it out, or when we get you out. We're just gonna go, I'm gonna pull this carpet down again. I don't know if you see that. Yeah, it looks like it. Just gonna pull it down just a skosh. And this lined up. Get the plug out of our way. Then you can kind of sort of see right there where it goes, and then you just twist like that, and we're in. Now the only thing locking this in place is this fella right here. That's the only thing keeping this thing from turning around. So we got to put this back in here, and it just pushes straight up, right back where it went. Now I'm gonna just plug this in. Gloves are a catch-22. All right, and you can verify right here that it's locked because you'll see the little white triangular thing sitting there. And just tuck this up in that panel. Your mind is not deceiving you. The old one did not have that red and black wire coming out of it. All the aftermarket ones do that I've seen. Believe it or not, that's all there is to it. We're going to test it and we'll be done. All right. And show this thing here. Man, it's got all kinds of crap coming out of it, but the brushes in the slip ring don't look so hot. Well, I guess that's where our sound was coming from. You look deep in there. There's a slip ring. I will have to put an arrow, but then there's some brushes right there. More than likely, that's where our noise was coming from. Thank you guys for watching another episode of the 8-9 Garage. I hope this helps somebody out, get you out of a bind. More than anything else, I hope it saves you some money on a repair. You can do this for, I don't know what, I can't remember what it was, 35 bucks roughly. Do it yourself. Don't pay someone else. They're going to use the exact same part, and it's going to take them exactly 10 minutes, just like it did here. Take care.